Greetings, William Crane, CEO of IndustryStar here. Are repetitive supply chain tasks holding you back from delivering exceptional results? The reasons can range from populating spreadsheets, to analyzing data, to sharing updates. To add to that, our workload is exponentially growing and changing more frequently. But like the crowd or 12th man at a football game, IndustryStar's supply performance software can give your team a valuable boost to drive forward and realize success. To empower supply chain leaders, our team crafted the Manual Task Automation MTA Playbook. The Playbook offers 3 winning plays using the automation features in our software to help you accelerate your goals and at zero risk to you. 1, when we review your company tasks and identify $50,000 in productivity cost avoidances, and you move forward with our software solution, our $5,000 assessment fee is credited back to you. 2, if you don't move forward with our software solution, you pay our assessment fee and keep our playbook. And 3, if we cannot identify $50,000 in avoidances, you keep our assessment fee and our savings ideas. Email us at info@industrystar.com to explore if the MTA Playbook could accelerate your productivity goals. Here's to elevating productivity and maximizing impact in the days ahead.